Hello all and welcome back to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back for another amazing video. So in today's video we are going to be making this headboard differently, that is structure wise, because the design our client today decided to go with is a bit different. So keep watching the video so that you will understand and get an idea or learn one or two from us. So if you like this kind of contents where we do transformation videos, DIYs and many more, like our videos, comment and subscribe to our channel. And now, as you can see on the screen, I'm just cutting the pieces of wood that I'm using into sizes, and I'll be starting by making this adjustment layer that I'm going to use to raise the headboard for this bed today. So keep watching, because I've used a lot of steps today in this DIY. So just keep watching and see how I did join the pieces together, how I did this transformation, and don't forget to like it. Also, for this headboard, this original headboard, I'm going to cut off this part here that you see me marking on the screen. This is to flatten the surface that I'm going to work with, because I can't work with it while it have these shapes that you see on the screen. So I'm just going to cut them off and then start making the headboard. And now for the headboard, I'm going to start by applying the contact glue both on the surface, also on the forms that I'm using. Like for these corners, I'm going to add this small piece here of foam. Also on the other side, I'm going to do the same thing as you will see on the screen. Yeah, I'm going to add it to that other corner. That is because the design that I'm going for will be a bit curved, that is on the edges, but you will see as the video goes on. So keep watching so that you will see what I'm talking about. So now, as you can see on the screen, this is the shape that I came up with. The edges of this headboard are a bit curved. This is because of the forms that I did place, the pieces that you saw me placing on the corners, and the client wanted the curves to be like this one that you see on the screen. So now I'm done making the curves and placing the form, also making the holes for the tufting. What is remaining now is just doing the tufting. And I will be using my normal needle, this needle that I usually use in these DIYs. Also, she wanted these shiny buttons that I'm showing you on the screen, and this fabric, this is the color she decided to go with. So now let's make the tufting.